Hey Tiffany, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and accepting your custom video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you guys can use right away that's going to help you with your online presence and get more organic leads. It is important to mention that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is very, very important that your website be fully optimized. So as you can see, we're on your website and you've got a really cool looking logo here. Got a decent looking website. Looks like you have a different page for each of your services, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want. Looks like we have a little bit of content here. Some more content, but I'm not seeing any keyword usage. Okay. San Diego County, Orange County. Okay, so you have a huge service area. So you actually are going to need a different page for every community in each of these counties that have any search volume. That's going to be how you're going to be found for services in each of these areas. So it is going to be very, very important that you build out each of those pages and that you have unique content and that you're going after the buyer intent keyword for that specific city for those services that you have. So this is going to be very, very important for you guys. Google does not rank a website based on appearance, unfortunately. Everything is based off content. Content is key, and you need a lot of it. You need more than your competitors. You need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for in your area for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be actively searching. So that's what your content needs to be built around. You need 100 to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target, and that goes for all of your pages and service pages as well as your service area pages. So you're going to have to really work on your content and your keyword strategy because Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages looking for original content. And then it pulls out your keywords, indexes them, ranks you for them, and puts you in front of customers. Now, one of your top competitors in San Diego County is Abbott's. You can see they're going after those local buyer intent keywords. They're doing a pretty good job throughout their website of doing that. They have separate pages for every single one of their services. It is unclear if they have separate pages for their service areas because I haven't been able to find them at a quick glance. They do have good content, good usage of keywords, and so they're actually able to be found and to be ranked in their service area for these keywords. So in order to be able to beat these guys, you're going to need a lot more content. You're going to need more than they have and more than all of your competitors in each of your service areas. You're going to need to dial in your content and your keyword strategy so you can be found for your services in each of your service areas. The next step is search engine optimization. So right here we can see you have a rating of a 4 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that's 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You need a lot more backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal. They do need to be high authority backlinks that are directly related to your services and industry and do follows. You'll need a lot more than your top competitors in each of your service areas. But you'll also need more in quality as well. You've only been indexed for 44 keywords, and you're only seeing on average 16 people to your website per month. If we look real quick at your keywords, the only keywords that you're in good position for on the first page of Google is your brand. Well, brand is important. It's not a buyer intent keyword. So you're going to have to work on those buyer intent location based keywords so that you can be found for those services. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 19, which isn't too bad. They have over 600 backlinks. So you're going to need more than they have and better quality. They've been indexed for over 300 keywords, and they're getting over 200 people to their website per month. Now you have a much larger service area, so there is tons of traffic that you're missing out on. So it's going to be very important that you work on these strategies because they all work together. Now, if we look at your backlinks, a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this site is that links to yours, the more power and authority it's going to give you, and it's going to help you to rank. You also need to be linking these to your keywords so that your keywords can rank and you can be found for your services in each of your service areas, not just your brand or website. You need to rank those keywords so you can be found. And the last important thing I wanted to mention is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and your relevant keywords, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So you definitely want to be in the top 3. Otherwise, you're sending all of those leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, the most important factor are citations, which are the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Instagram. So you're going to need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in each of your service areas with those keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay, because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do need help getting any of this done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.